So here we are at the Tinker Garage with my man, Mr. Tinker, Donnie D-Bag.
D-baggy with these nuts.
Of course, y'all remember this person over here. This is Noob. You should really watch Noob Down because that's a good one. We got a Harley FX STS Springer soft tail.
Yep.
Had it in at the local Harley shop here in town. Had a stuck lifter probably about, a year ago, you said?
Yeah.
They failed to figure out why the lifter got stuck on it, and I guess we finally figured out why. It was stuck. You see how burnt that shit is? Yeah. All kinds of pieces and everything. Really fucked it all up. So, waiting on parts to come in and get this thing all put back together. Gonna put a larger cam in it. What else?
We're doing the SNS cam plate and the SNS high volume oil pump. And we'll get rid of the timing chain and go on timing gear. And then we'll go on the 585 cam and SNS. Adjustable push rods, and then high performance SNS lifters. Those just have bigger cams in it.
So just give a
direct timing instead of the chain. It'll run a little harder.
A little harder, you have a lot more thump to it.
Yep. More stagger in the camshaft.
So, yeah, y'all stick around and come back and watch the rebuild process on this thing. And like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell so you can get all the new content. There we go, yeah.